guys how to make some delicious tiramisu like this. So you're gonna need a Tupperware container, some cocoa powder, heavy whipping cream, lady fingers, sugar, measuring tools, vanilla extract, and also mascarpone cheese and some coffee. Okay, first pour in 1/2 cup of the heavy whipping cream into a bowl like this. And then put 1 cup of sugar in here. Put 1 teaspoon of vanilla into here as well. Alright, then finally just a little bit of salt into here. Alright, and next we're gonna mix it with our mixer. Okay, once you're done mixing and it looks like a thick, creamy texture like this, you're gonna add in 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Alright, and then once you have that chunk of cheese in there, you're just gonna mix it with the mixture, kind of like so, until it's all evenly spread out. Alright, once again, when it's a nice, thick, consistent texture, we're gonna leave that there. And then move on to these lady fingers, which we're gonna dip in some coffee. So just make some coffee, pour it into a bowl, like so. Alright, and then you're gonna take your lady fingers and dip them in. Alright, so take those lady fingers, dip it in the coffee, kind of like so. And then line it up at the bottom, right here. And then do that with every single one. Alright, and then once you have your first layer of lady fingers done, you're gonna coat that with the cream that we made. So just getting a spatula, just start coating it over, kind of like that. Alright, once you have it spread out evenly on top, just like this, you're gonna repeat the process and layer the next stack of lady fingers on top. Okay, now that that's done, you're gonna start putting on your final layer of the cream on top of these. Alright, and then once it's spread out evenly, something like this, you're gonna get your cocoa powder right here and just layer it on top. Alright, and then using that sieve, just kind of like sprinkle it on here like that. And then make sure it covers the whole entirety of the top. Alright, and then when you have something looking like this, you're good to put it in the fridge to chill for about 3 to 4 hours. Alright, we're gonna say goodbye to it for now and see it 3 to 4 hours later. Alright, now we can get our tiramisu out of the fridge. Alright, now it's time to cut up a slice. To enjoy that